Geeks, welcome to File Systems. Today our engineers have done a small project because today we have received a new evaluation board from the STM32. So Pawan and Haji has started working on this. Pawan, what is the controller name?
Here we are using STM32F407VET6 Microcontroller.
Okay, that's good. So by using this development board, they have done the setup today. So our main purpose today actually to do the setup properly by using the ID compiler setup, ID setup as well as debugger. Also we use generally JTAG debugger from the Sega, that is called J-Link. If you see, we are connecting this with the system CPU where our ID and all is getting installed. So here, yeah, could you please open that ID, cube ID, how you have done there? Yeah, so here they have done a basic setup and a small LED programming, and they are also able to do the setup for the debugger and able to set the breakpoints, debug it. Yeah, could you please just set this? Yeah, so breakpoint is there, so you can run now. Yeah, so Pawan, could you please just start the debugger, how you are starting? Okay, so this is the reset the chip. After resetting, if you see, the control came here actually with the HL init actually, where we have given the startup breakpoint there. So if you see here, yeah, so if you see here and the breakpoint is staying there, and if you do the step in, it will be working. See, yeah, how it is coming. So it entered into the HL init function. If you see here, it will go step by step, it will be debugging. Okay, it entered into that function. But if you don't want to enter into this function, what you can do, instead of a step in, you can go the step over option. So there, if you debug actually, it will not enter into the inside of that particular function. It will go just over to over, right? Yeah, that's it. Thank you. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.